All right, everybody, welcome back again. Whiskey 6, back with another round of the proof project here in the basement. We are blinding 2 whiskeys at a time to determine what my favorite higher proof whiskey is in the basement. I've been wanting to do this project forever, finally getting a chance to make this happen. Today we'll have a winner and we'll have a loser. The winner obviously will go forward. The loser will drop out. So, this is great. Again, this is everything from the top shelf, the higher proof stuff that I have in the basement. Lowest proof on the list is Weller Full Proof at 114. Highest is the William LaRue Weller at 134. By the end of this series, I'm going to know what my favorite higher proof whiskey is. Potentially my favorite whiskey that I've ever had. So this is exciting. So let's get moving forward here. Let's take a look at the colors. Chances are that the colors are nice and dark, which they are. Good aging on those. So got these Glens marked so that the pourer here doesn't, go too crazy on this higher proof rare whiskey. So let's give it a nose. Okay, top shelf nose indeed. Nice complexity, fruity, oaky, vanilla there. Give me a little cherry there on the back. Okay, very good. What we got here? Whew, I tell you what, let's sit it down for a second because I want to tell you right now that is a very similar noses. Kudos to the guy pouring tonight. He did a good job on mixing these ones up. First round I had George T. Stagg and Lux Row 12 against each other. The George T. Stagg had a George T. Stagg nose, very Buffalo Tracy, very grape, very fruity, and the Lux Row 12 did not. So I was kind of able to separate those on the aroma. These ones I'm having a little bit more of a tricky time doing that. So, okay, this one has a little bit, again, a little less fruit on this side. This is a little bit more caramely. Okay, so right now we have a trend. So the left right now seems to be winning the battles on the aroma factor. So let's see what we got on the taste. Cheers. Oh, man. Whoa. Yes, indeed. Mouthfeel city. Kills it on the mouthfeel. Kills it on the taste. That's a top shelf whiskey all day long. Mouth is going bananas. Doesn't taste like bananas, but man, the feel is definitely there. Did a little different this time. Left a little bit for a second go around. First time, I didn't do that on the first round, so left a little bit in to give it one more go through. See what we got. Mouthfeel city right there, killing it. Let's see what we got here. Again, mouthfeel city. Top shelf mouthfeel, top shelf taste. This is going to be nearly impossible. I would drink both of those every night if I could, but I can't. You got to survive too. Key thing is you have to survive, which means you can't drink a bunch of whiskey every single night because you don't really survive really well that way. But if I could, I'd drink both of these every night because those are awesome. Let's go back to the front. Back to the front. Let's make a decision here. Oh, man. Woo, golly, I'm warm. That is awesome. It's going to be hard. This is going to be tough. I mean, at this point, I'm going to put round two, right down my round two here is basically a, coin toss. And again, I have no idea. I don't even know what two bottles these are. These were randomly selected from the top shelf. That way I can't even guess about which one might be better than the other. Completely blind, have no clue what either one of these are. Darn it! Oh man, what a bummer. I hate to have to pick a loser on that. I mean, I hate to have to pick a loser on either one of these two because these are both winners, period. This is one of those, it's like the loser should probably go on as well because, I mean, that's good. I'm going to go with the left again. I'm going to go with number one again, though. So number two is going to take an exit from the Proof Project. And number two is Knob Creek. Hey, you know what, guys? Look at that. Knob Creek. I'm not biased to Jim Beam. There's not some secret thing I have set up where I'm supporter of only Jim Beam and Knob Creek. If you've watched my videos, you've seen Knob Creek win time and time again. The Knob Creek Single Barrel Select is awesome. It was awesome again. The 15-year won my 100 proof challenge out of 1,500 proof bottles. And somebody eventually had to think, this guy is flat out promoting Knob Creek and Jim Beam. Looky here, Knob Creek just exited this round of the high proof project. And that was the Knob Creek Single Barrel Select 120 proof. Let's see what's going to move on. What moves on with the Stag? Stag won round one over the Lux Row 12. Elijah Craig Barrel Proof C921. My favorite Elijah Craig Barrel Proof pick. C921 overtakes Knob Creek today. Kudos to Heaven Hill. Look at here. Heaven Hill representing. I promise that was not set up. That was not a thing. So Elijah Craig, Barrel Proof C921, going to join George T. Stagg in the win column. We're moving on. Thanks for joining us. See you again. Whiskey 6. Have a good night.